Raising a child during their early years is a crucial and rewarding responsibility. Here are some guidelines to help you promote their healthy development and overall well-being up to the age of 10. Create a loving and nurturing environment. Offer plenty of affection, attention, and physical contact like hugs and cuddles. Provide a safe and secure atmosphere where your child feels loved and valued. Stimulate cognitive development. Engage in activities that promote curiosity, exploration, and problem solving. Read to your child regularly and encourage them to ask questions. Provide age-appropriate educational toys and games that encourage learning. Encourage physical activity. Encourage outdoor play and physical activities to promote healthy development. Participate in activities like cycling, swimming, or playing sports together. Healthy eating habits. Offer a balanced diet with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy products. Limit sugary snacks and drinks, and encourage water consumption. Set a good example by maintaining healthy eating habits yourself. Establish a consistent routine. Maintain a daily schedule for meals, naps, playtime, and bedtime. Consistency provides a sense of security and helps children know what to expect. Social interaction and emotional development. Encourage interaction with peers through play dates, preschool, and extracurricular activities. Teach emotional intelligence, helping them understand and manage their feelings. Promote language development. Talk to your child frequently and use a rich vocabulary. Listen actively when they speak and encourage them to express themselves. Limit screen time. Minimize exposure to screens, TV, tablets, smartphones, and prioritize real-world interactions and activities. Teach values and morals. Instill important values such as empathy, kindness, honesty, and respect. Lead by example and demonstrate these values in your daily interactions. Encourage independence. Allow your child to take on age-appropriate responsibilities, fostering a sense of autonomy and self-confidence. Teach them life skills like dressing themselves, cleaning up, and making simple decisions. Monitor health and well-being. Schedule regular checkups with a pediatrician to monitor physical and emotional development. Ensure your child gets adequate sleep and maintains proper hygiene practices. Be patient and understanding. Children will make mistakes and have challenges as they grow. Be patient and offer guidance. Celebrate achievements. Celebrate both big and small accomplishments to boost your child's self-esteem and motivation. Remember that every child is unique, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to parenting. Tailor your approach to your child's personality and needs, and always be open to adjusting your strategies as they grow and change.